what the Honda looks like before the stretch. I ordered a stretch from Dawn. It's gonna be a 5-inch stretch. These are 28-inch Zillas on the back. And I got the 33-inch Aztecs mounted up. It's a tight squeeze. I'm gonna have scrubbing issues with these floorboards. When I turn sharp, got to figure out what I'm gonna do about that. But yeah, stay tuned. So this is the stretch from Dawn, and again, it's a 5-inch stretch. You see right there. He basically puts some square tubing right there and puts some round tubing to sleeve that. I'm not quite for sure how to make this drive shaft or whatever. I'll figure out if I made it. Not a welder, but it looks good to me. Tell me your swing arm bearings are bad without telling me your swing arm bearings are bad. I'll go first. Mint. So I got the four-wheeler jacked up. Got a jack up under the frame. I got a jack up under the swing arm as well. Taking this shock out. My shock's a 14mm. We'll work on that. Again, this is the stretch I got from Dawn, and that's the drive shaft that he made as well. This is a 5-inch stretch. Get a flathead, pretty much pop that out. Super duper dusty. Go on the other side. Do the same thing. This was a little tricky. Oh, shoot. No. This one is on there. I don't think these have ever been taken off. There it is, finally. Then just get on this one. Pull it up some. And then pop it off. Yikes. Nice. Unscrew the boot. Oh, make sure you have a good screwdriver because this one's trying to strip this bolt. So I need to get it rid of. For this bolt right here, it is an Allen bolt. You're gonna need a 17mm. And make sure it's in there all the way. Make sure you've got the hole cleaned out pretty good. I did make sure it was tapped all the way in there. And this is down, I think this is torqued to like 90-some foot-pounds of torque, so you're gonna have to get a big cheater bar for this. This was my cheater bar because that thing was on it super tight. But yeah, and that's pretty much how it comes out. And I knew these swing arm bearings were bad, but sheesh, the whole inner bearing is gone. Yo. We have new ones on the way from G&H, thankfully. But Jesus Christ. Whew. Come over here, and this is 17mm as well. This side's not supposed to be torqued down as much as the other side. So hopefully we'll be able to get this off without the cheater bar. Finally got this bolt out. I had to get some PV blaster. And again, make sure you support your axle and swing arm before you start all of this. And so now we'll take the shock and this joint out. Finally got this boot to pop off. Took me forever. That bolt is stripped. I had to get my Dremel and make it from a Phillips to like a flathead. I need to replace that. You should be able to just pull it out. Yeah, mine fell off my jack. My jack's bad now. Well, it's not bad now. It went out. This is a comparison. This is the stretched one on the right. This is the stock one on the right. I've got to swap all this to that and bolt it back up. These are 14mm that bolt to the diff. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and then you've got some on the swing arm as well. You got to take off. These 4 bolts over here that go on the rear brake, these are 17mm bolts. Take these off. One of these flexible extensions is super helpful for getting this last one off because it's in an awkward position without taking this piece off. Once you get these bolts out, you'll pretty much be able to pull it apart. I had to pick it up on this jack, not just jack, this stand. I had to put mine on the jack stand, pretty much tap it loose a little bit and it slid right on out. Right beside this one with the stretch. So factory stretched, gonna give us extra room for clearance for larger tires. So again, we're gonna do a comparison with the 33-inch Aztecs and the 32-inch Assassinators. So I got these bolted up. Make sure they're tight. I put some marine grease on this U-joint right here. I put some on the splines. on the shaft. I put some on the bolt coming out the spline coming out the diff as well. Just make sure it's all greased up. I was not able to get this screw out. I bought some reverse threaded drill bits to try to get broken screws out. This did not go well. I went to Tractor Supply and got a clamp that seems to work well. It is slightly wider than this one. My concern is that it might cut the boot, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it. This clamp was like $2.50 if that, versus I think I saw these on eBay for like $30. So I'm gonna go pick up another one of these and we're gonna see how they last. So to get this bolt to line up, I had to pretty much jack up the center of the diff and then support this on this side to get it tweaked to line up exactly right. And I'm not going to torque this all the way down, I'm just get it tight, and then I'm going to go to the other side and put the other bolt in. So again, I got the rear diff supported with the jack. I'm going to go ahead and start this. To loosen up that collar, because my collar for some reason was tightened all the way down, I just put it with this vice grips and untwist it with this, and it worked. Much tightened all the way down now. And this side, it's like 7 foot-pounds or so, give or take, and the other side's like 83 foot-pounds. And this is what the four-wheel looks like with the 5-inch stretch and the 33-inch Aztecs.